sometimes the weight of that burden on their shoulders, and for them to try to clear that out. Kotun chuko ngani semi na mata sawiti, and around the kawa, you're to a personal place. You can sort it out. You can sort out the noises. But for budding professional players, just breaking through Drumen and Rua, I think it's going to be it's going to be a challenge. I mean, I can't speak for themselves. This is my opinion. So what about Miss? We are now to course out many system in Rua development. Mertuna mera sangat juga mera bakasam tajuk my welfare. I have to fight for my welfare. I have to fight for my position. And I have to fight to maintain my clan anum dolo indap manta clan kan logi toraka we fight for that first 15 ya mengi bakasam ta kone evalu lalai ke ya mengi vingi to main dalan eda ke kone evalu num do welfare okay now we together nangi tongo when that dust settles what matters is what comes into the bank account